Yeah, I'm giving this here transaxle a transfusion. I got an 80W90. Look at him. It's got a butt plug in there. Took these pliers. Don't want to lose that. Throw it in there. Got a kitchen right here. You can't see the damn thing. It's under that main pulley right there. See that main pulley right there? Can't, it's there. You had to just take it off blind, but there's a hole right there. My buddy Troy down in Texas gave me this camera. They didn't tell me when I started in on this that it's going to be involved cussing, but here we are. All right. So let's give him a squeeze, Louise. This is shit is slower than molasses by going in. But I'll tell you what the symptoms is. She started, when the motor's running, everything is fine, it's quiet and nice. It's real hard to put in gear. I wonder if it's easier to put in gear now. No. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, come over. This is working. I'm gonna put much of this shit in here as I can get in here. Because I didn't even know you needed to put any in. I've had this mower for damn near 20 years. And I never had a lick problem to it until yesterday. So I went and bought this damn little dump cart. I said, damn, I went and bought this dump cart. Look at it over my shoulder. Look over my shoulder at that pretty dump cart. Went and bought that dump cart to haul all these bags of shit away. And lo and behold, the damn lawnmower takes a drop. Yeah. So to get to that plug, you got to remove the battery case, unplug the seat switch right here, and get that shit to move over here out of your way. And then you got to find that little butt plug and get it, blindly remove it from its little hole. And then you got to have you some motorcycle oil. That's what this is. Motorcycle oil. And I'm going to put as much in that son of a bitch as I can get in there. If it'll still go, I'm going to keep doing it. So far I have, it was on the 900 mark, or it was up to here. It's down to about midway. I think I put it, this is a whole lot of trouble. I'll put as much of this shit in here as I can get in here. And this is a whole lot of damn trouble right here. Comical. It's fucking comical, Paw. Don't you hate these cuss jobs? Squeezing the flying you know what out of it. I'm losing my religion messing with a damn lawnmower. It's working though. My plan B, if that didn't work, I was going to, I'll show y'all what my plan B was. I was going to use Uncle Mac's catheter bag. Imagine having this stuck up your dick that far, okay, to catch your piss, because you can't piss. You got to take care of yourself.